Once, there was a little bird who always wondered, "Why am I so small?"
I wish I were stronger and bigger.
One day, the little bird saw a giant eagle flying high above the clouds. The bird thought, "I wish I could fly like that eagle." The little bird became sad. It stopped singing and stopped enjoying the beautiful forest.
Why are you sad, little bird?
I am too small and weak.
The owl smiled and said, "Every bird is special. The eagle flies high, but your sweet song makes everyone happy."
The little bird began singing again. Soon, all the animals gathered happily to hear its beautiful voice.
The little bird finally understood. I don't need to be someone else. I am special in my own way.
And from that day, the little bird always stayed happy and thankful for who it was. Everyone is special in their own way.